Nice.
I like that bite.
Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Angel. We back at it again with another video. So I just woke up, did my stuff, you know. Then so today is the day where we going dirt bike shopping. We looking for a dirt bike for me. That be good for me. I'm looking for the KX100, CRF 150 RB, or R whatever. CR85R. I don't think they make those no more, but we're gonna go to Kissimmee Motorsports. I don't know what it's called, but we finna go right now. Right after we eat, you know.
What's good, YouTube? It's Indian Ellie's here.
Okay, so stay tuned into this video. We should be there. I'm gonna take a vlog, whatever video in the car, so you need to stop before I smack the heck out of you right now.
Ah!
I missed. Get over here.
Please, please. I don't deserve this.
You don't? Get over here.
I got hurt.
She got that.
I can't breathe. What is my face?
You look like The Weeknd with your pineapple head.
Ow!
I can make you whip with your hair, boy. I like hair, you know. I'm trying to play around. All right, see you later. How you guys doing? It's your boy, Angel. Quavo. I said designer, Quavo. So we gonna go to that motorcycle store right now with the fam. I know you guys gonna hate on me and John. No hate comments, please.
Like just right now.
If you got something to say it. Keep it to yourself, like teacher said, you know. We got taught that. Alright, we finna get lit. Let's get it. See you later. Redo. Alright, so we're going on motorsports right now with the fam. We gotta look it up, so DRB. DRB. Okay, so we almost there. We like how many minutes do you think? Like 10? 10 minutes to wait. Flip the camera to show. There, we like 5 minutes away now. We should be there in 5 minutes, so we'll get back to you. So. Oh my God. Slingshots, UTV. Oh, them four wheelers is fresh. Bro, my heart racing.
Go.
This junk is nice. It's hot too.
Oh, look at this here though.
Yo, look at that slingshot too. Look at the slingshot.
Oh wow, what is this?
A slingshot.
Whoa.
Wow, that's hot.
Oh, yo, mom.
Wait, can I sit with you, Dad?
That's a hot. Is this a car?
You need to get one of these too. Oh, yeah, that's the one you wanted. Yeah, that's the one you wanted. Hey, Dad, this the one you wanted.
Dang, look at that Kawasaki.
Ooh, I'm buying that. Dad, this the one you wanted. I could fit on this one. This the one you wanted.
That white one though, that white one.
This one nice.
Oh, that's something I would drive. That one right
That's
there.
nice.
The white one?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
a
you should get
ninja.
one.
I want.
for everybody.
I want the white one.
What's going on, guys? How are you?
Good.
Oh, the Kawasaki's are over there.
We're
too.
from New York. We're
Vacation?
amazed. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
I love it. Yeah. I love these too. Like people actually drive these. Like,
Yeah, those are registered as motorcycles.
are they?
Yeah.
Oh wow. They do. Your eye hurts.
Right here. I want the 100.
Well, try not to touch your eye.
Wait, let me take this.
Is it? That's it?
Yeah, that's the one.
This one? That's,
Sales, line 2, please.
You don't like this
Sales,
one?
line
that's
2.
huge.
No, it's not. Look. This is the one I got on. Literally, I'm already like grown. And I rode this one already.
Wow, that's huge.
That's the one Carlos has.
Let me look at the back.
Bro, I want to hear this junk start.
Hey, I'm stuck.
Mario, dial 221, please. Mario,
What do
221.
you think? What do you think, Mom?
Huh?
What do you
Inside?
think?
They're very nice.
Can we go inside?
Yep.
They're so big.
Y'all want this one?
How much is that one?
It's like 3.
Does it have price?
Yeah, these go for
I want a 2017 or 18. And that's the one.
How much is that one?
The 100, $37.99.
Is that how much
same,
is it?
about the same price.
Yeah, $37.99.
And they're both the same price?
Yeah, they're both the same bike.
What? They were more expensive over there.
Are they?
They were like $5,700.
I don't know about it.
You don't like?
That's a nice bike.
And then
Is that
that's
the
one
one?
that I want when I'm 16. That one, the Grom.
Okay.
It's the Kawasaki's version, the C125.
That one?
Yeah.
Look, this I can ride this when I'm 16.
Let me see. That looks like a little motorcycle. Like,
65 miles
so
an
you
hour.
could ride that in the
On the
street.
yeah. You need a license for it, though.
Yo, I should go with
You know what
this.
you
Right?
said though?
You need a license.
You bypass that.
You need a license.
He doesn't think he needs a license for anything.
Yeah, their bikes you don't need a license, but these you do.
Do they let you guys do
Yeah,
they let
but
people
do they
drive?
let you ride dirt bikes in the street?
No.
No,
Thank you.
not here either.
Well, we
Nowhere.
got the backyard.
Nowhere. You heard what he just said?
They
This
do
is-
it illegally, but you're not supposed to.
Ah.
Okay, so this is the 65.
Papi, let's go see in there. That's. I'm just saying
Oh my, you want to see that 4-wheeler? The one
Yeah.
that I was talking about?
Sure.
Alright. You can pause
Yeah.
the video now.
You want me to pause it?
This is the one I wrote. This was too big.
190.
about 150, 190.
Oh, ¿tú las puedes rentar?
No,
Oh,
to
rent
buy.
them? To buy? The bad thing about it is you gotta have, you know, like when it snows, where would you put it?
Oh, you can buy a cover for it.
Yo, this junk must be bad.
It's a ninja.
I'll go
But
back
it-
to
but
Rochester
it-
and have my cousin teach me.
That's something I would probably get.
That's nice.
I want to go back to the cow. You ever try one of these before, Dad?
Yeah.
How you ride this thing? Are these
Like
brakes?
that. Just down, up. When you go up, it slows down. When you
No,
go down.
I'm talking about twist.
Oh, that's when he turns. Turn.
That's a water. That's a jet ski.
Andy got one of those.
That's a jet ski.
What got like radio? Still recording?
Yeah.
Let's go back outside. Look at the house.
You went back out?
Yeah, I want to see what it is. Hey. What's it do?
See something like that. That's why I'm grab one over there.
It's like 110 cc. You guys like that bike though?
I like that one a lot.
You think I
This
should do
one,
that?
but you can get that one and I'll be alright with that because you're not gonna fall.
This me?
Yeah.
No,
That's fast. That could do like 70 miles.
I'm not gonna get a little kid bike.
That's not a little kid bike. Hey, look at the 110 right
If I
here.
could put license on something like this,
This is
if I could
110.
put plates on something like this, I'll buy something like that. Don't get me wrong. You know what? I would buy something like that. If I can get anything, I'd get something like that.
That's considered a motorcycle.
All right,
How much is it?
I know.
Bob, this is the other one I wanted. This is the other one I wanted, but once I saw the two-stroke, that's the one I wanted.
Which is two-stroke?
The ones with the big pipes and like the four-strokes have big pipes.
Parts line 1, please. Parts line 1.
Buddy, I don't think you can do that.
You got to move the triangle. This is the one I want for sure. This one.
28.5. I close 30,000.
What?
But that's the top model is like 28. It ranged for like 22,000.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, for a toy.
That's what it is. A toy.
Wow.
Well, that.
The other one. Yeah.
So listen, there is a sale because they were $4,599.
GG.
Oh,
Look,
bro, I want this
they're
one.
on sale. They're $800 off.
But for real, I want this one. That's serious.
That's huge. And where would he ride that?
I ride it in my backyard. I don't care.
Can't, Bobby.
Yeah, I can.
You need a backyard.
It's fine.
No, if you.
I don't care where I ride.
You're not
I just
gonna
need
Look
to
at
ride.
how tall this one is. And look at compared to Pipi Lippy.
Wow, this is high.
Look at how who can get on that ride? It's
That's
too
what I was gonna
tall.
tell you, Look, I like-
It lowers down when you get on it. It lowers down when you
I
get on.
can't even get on this.
No, listen. This
If you
look.
can't get, if you can't
It'll
get on
lower
this
down.
one, you can't get on this
I
one.
can
you
get
can't
on that one. That's this right here is. No, you know what? Yeah.
get on this one.
This is.
She on the KX65.
Yeah, this is
They
good.
got more two-strokes here than Rochester. Yeah, they go.
Stay.
Yes.
You guys don't like this one?
It's really
Personally, I
nice.
don't.
Why? You gotta get a dirt bike.
I have to.
Yeah. This is the other one I was gonna get.
In order
but
to,
I don't really want
in order to
to
buy one, in order to test these out, you gotta have license.
I was gonna get this one, but I feel like it's slow. It's the four-stroke. Four-strokes aren't slow though.
How is it, Gigi? You like it, Gigi?
Yeah.
race. I want to do all types. You know these things could do like 70 miles an hour? One on one. Alright, I ain't see I'm 85 yet. Listen, if you gonna buy me one, if you end up buying me one, ask for the KX100, not the 85. The 100. I want you to get mixed up because they look like all, you know.
Why you want the 80, the 100, or the?
It's faster. And it's taller.
Okay.
I'm about to race with Aaron and John. So yeah, I want this one.
Okay, we got it.
These two right here. These are the 100s. 85, 65, 140, 140L, and 110. Alright, let's look somewhere else. You can pause it now.
Hey, nice.
How do I look?
Nice.
Well, let me take a picture. I like that bike.
Yeah, you should go for that one. I like this one better.
This bike is hot.
That one's hot too, but this one mean.
Why? Yeah, that was nice.
This is beautiful.
of me.
Yo, but these bikes are nice.
This is beautiful. I want her.
I'm gonna go
So
back
tú
on.
puedes rentar esto como si fuera un carro. O sea, tú sabes, como un car payment.
Let me know in the comments down below if I should get the whatever KRZ, KZ, I don't know, Kawasaki Grom, or should I go for
Finance, line
one
1,
of
please.
these
Finance,
guys?
line 1.
But this girl be out. Look at that. Governor, kickstand, I'm a kickstart. Brakes. Nice. Nice shot in the back. Nice pipe. Big pipe. Rotates the carburetor.
Buddy!
Top end. Yeah. Look at these bars though. Alright, hold up. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I already rode the 250. I don't know, is that a 450 or 250? I don't know for sure. But I rode the 250 and the Raptor 660 Blaster. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Keep me good, walk around. These tires are good. Adjust your suspension. Nice fender, do some fender scrapes. I got the 100 again. Got the 85, 2-stroke, 2-stroke, 65, 2-stroke, 140, 2-stroke, 140L. Oh no. I don't know which one that is, but that's the 140L. And that's the 110. I thought this was smaller. It's not that bad. I'll ride all of them all day. Look at this. Bad boy. Now look at this I might have to go for this too. Oh shoot. See, I know about bikes more than I did from the other video. This junk is beautiful. Bro, this is a 125 too. The sound of it is beautiful. My dad's gonna go for this area and then just outside of this.